Everybody wants to be in love, including me. Everybody wants to fall in love, don't exclude me. But nobody wants to make a mistake that they can't come back from. So God got me through my journey and finding the right one. So where is she? Oh Lord, my God, where is she? My God, so where is she? Yeah. Where is she? Yeah. Bright as a star, cause she shines more than ever. She walks in the room and you know that she's the best one. But she got to love God just the way I do. Cause when it gets rough and when it gets tough and you feel like giving up, she will stick by your side cause she know that you are tough. Y'all pray, y'all keep your face on God. Where is she? So where is she? Oh Lord, my God, where is she? My God, so where is she? Yeah. Where is she? If you made a mistake before, don't make a mistake again. Keep God on your side, don't rush to make it right. What you in a rush for? Take your time, yeah.